Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Travel Partner Official. We are thrilled to have you join us on another exciting journey. Today, we're diving into one of the most enchanting and remote regions on Earth. Today, we're traveling to a magical place, Norway's Arctic Circle. This region is known for its breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and rich cultural heritage. It's a destination that promises adventure and awe at every turn. Have you heard of it? It's a land of incredible beauty and wonder. From the majestic fjords to the serene snow-covered plains, the Arctic Circle in Norway is a sight to behold. The natural wonders here are unlike anything you've ever seen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest adventures and get tips for your own travels. The Arctic Circle is an imaginary line around the top of the world. It marks the southernmost point where the sun can remain continuously above or below the horizon for 24 hours, a phenomenon known as the midnight sun in summer and polar night in winter. Norway is one of the countries this line crosses. This means that parts of Norway experience these unique phenomena, making it a fascinating place to visit any time of the year. That means a big part of Norway is in the Arctic. This region is home to some of the most pristine and untouched natural environments in the world. The Arctic landscape is a mix of rugged mountains, icy fjords, and vast tundras. In this video, we'll explore the amazing things you can see and do in Norway's Arctic Circle. From witnessing the mesmerizing northern lights to experiencing the thrill of dog sledding, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy. Get ready for an adventure. Pack your warmest clothes and your sense of wonder as we embark on this journey together. Whether you're an avid explorer or just looking for a unique travel experience, Norway's Arctic Circle has something for everyone. Let's dive in and discover the magic of the Arctic. One of the most magical things about the Arctic is the midnight sun. This natural phenomenon occurs every summer in places north of the Arctic Circle, like Norway. The sun doesn't set for weeks, bathing the landscape in a golden glow that lasts all night long. It's a surreal experience, almost like stepping into a dream where time stands still. Can you imagine the sun shining even at midnight? It's a sight to behold, with the sun hanging low in the sky, casting long shadows and creating a magical atmosphere. The light is softer, more diffused, and everything seems to glow with an ethereal beauty. That's what happens here in the summer. The days blend into nights, and the nights into days, creating a continuous loop of daylight. It's a unique experience that can be both disorienting and exhilarating. Imagine waking up at 2 a.m. and seeing the sun shining brightly outside your window. The sun stays up for weeks or even months. This continuous daylight allows for endless opportunities to explore and enjoy the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or simply taking in the stunning scenery, the midnight sun provides a backdrop like no other. It's like a never-ending day. The constant light can be invigorating, giving you more energy and a sense of freedom. You can lose track of time, but in the best possible way. It's a chance to break free from the usual constraints of day and night. Imagine how much fun you can have when it's always bright outside. You can go on midnight hikes, have late-night picnics, or even play a round of golf at 3 a.m. The possibilities are endless, and the experience is unforgettable. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more travel tips and adventures. We have so much more to share about the wonders of the Arctic and other incredible destinations around the world. We'll talk more about what you can do during the midnight sun later. From cultural festivals to wildlife spotting, there's no shortage of activities to keep you entertained. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into these exciting adventures. For now, just picture yourself exploring this incredible land under the never-setting sun. The Arctic is a place of wonder and beauty, and the midnight sun is one of its most enchanting features. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Norway's Arctic Circle is home to unique animals. One of the most famous is the reindeer. These gentle creatures with their large antlers are a symbol of the Arctic. You might even see reindeer herds roaming freely across the snowy landscapes. Other amazing animals live here too, like Arctic foxes, snowy owls, and even whales in the ocean. Imagine seeing these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. It's an experience you won't forget. Have you ever seen the Northern Lights? They're also called the Aurora Borealis. They're like a magical light show in the sky. Imagine colorful lights dancing across the dark sky. They shimmer and swirl in shades of green, pink, and purple. It's a breathtaking sight. The Northern Lights are most common during the winter months. So, if you visit then, you might get lucky and see this incredible natural phenomenon. The Sami people are the indigenous people of northern Norway and other parts of the Arctic. They have a rich history and a vibrant culture that has been passed down through generations. The Sami are known for their deep connection to nature and their ability to thrive in the harsh Arctic environment. Their traditional way of life includes reindeer herding, fishing, and crafting, all of which are essential to their survival and cultural identity. They have lived here for thousands of years, and their culture is deeply connected to the land. The Sami people have a profound respect for nature and the animals they share their environment with. This respect is evident in their sustainable practices and their careful management of natural resources. The reindeer, in particular, hold a special place in Sami culture, providing not only food and clothing, but also playing a central role in their spiritual beliefs and traditions. The Sami are known for their colorful traditional clothing, reindeer herding traditions, and their unique craftsmanship. Their clothing is not only beautiful, but also practical, designed to keep them warm in the freezing Arctic temperatures. Each piece of clothing is often handmade and decorated with intricate patterns that have cultural significance. Reindeer herding is more than just a livelihood. It is a way of life that requires skill, knowledge, and a deep understanding of the natural world, and unique stories and songs. Storytelling is an important part of Sami culture, with tales that have been told for centuries, preserving their history and traditions. These stories often feature themes of nature, survival, and the supernatural. Music and singing are also integral to Sami culture, with traditional songs known as shuak that are used to express emotions, tell stories, and connect with their ancestors. Visiting a Sami community and learning about their way of life is a special experience. It offers a unique opportunity to see firsthand how the Sami people live, and to gain a deeper understanding of their culture and traditions. Many Sami communities welcome visitors and offer guided tours, cultural performances, and workshops where you can learn traditional crafts and skills. It's a chance to step into a different world and experience a way of life that is both ancient and enduring. We love sharing these incredible destinations with you. The Arctic is a place of stunning natural beauty, with vast landscapes, pristine wilderness, and a unique ecosystem. Exploring this region allows you to connect with nature in a profound way and to appreciate the resilience and ingenuity of the people who call it home. Whether you're hiking through the tundra, watching the northern lights, or visiting a Sami village, the Arctic offers experiences that are truly unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe and join our travel family. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest adventures and discoveries. We bring you closer to the world's most fascinating cultures and breathtaking landscapes. Your support helps us continue to share these stories and inspire others to explore and appreciate the diversity of our planet. You can even try some traditional Sami food, like reindeer stew or dried fish. Sami cuisine is a reflection of their environment and lifestyle, using ingredients that are locally sourced and sustainably harvested. Reindeer meat is a staple, often prepared in stews or smoked. Fish, berries, and wild herbs are also commonly used, creating dishes that are both nutritious and flavorful. Trying Sami food is a way to connect with their culture and to experience the flavors of the Arctic. It's a chance to immerse yourself in a different culture and way of life. Participating in Sami cultural activities allows you to engage with their traditions and to learn from their knowledge and expertise. Whether you're herding reindeer, listening to a joik, or enjoying a traditional meal, these experiences offer a deeper appreciation of the Sami way of life and the rich cultural heritage of the Arctic. Are you ready for some adventure? Dog sledding is a popular activity in Norway's Arctic Circle. Imagine racing through snowy landscapes pulled by a team of powerful and energetic dogs. The dogs love to run, and you'll feel the thrill of gliding across the snow. It's an exhilarating way to experience the Arctic wilderness. You can even learn how to mush, or drive, the sled yourself. Imagine the wind in your hair and the snow crunching beneath the sled. It's an adventure you'll never forget. Beyond dog sledding, there are many ways to explore the Arctic wilderness. You can go hiking in the summer or snowshoeing in the winter. Imagine the peace and quiet as you trek through snow-covered forests or hike along rugged coastlines. You can also go ice fishing on frozen lakes or try cross-country skiing. And don't forget about the incredible views. Imagine gazing out at vast snowy landscapes or towering mountains reflected in icy lakes. The Arctic wilderness is full of opportunities for adventure and exploration. Remember we talked about the midnight sun? Well, in the winter, the opposite happens. It's the polar night. During this time, the sun doesn't rise above the horizon at all. It might sound strange, but it's not completely dark. The snow and ice reflect what little light there is, creating a beautiful twilight-like atmosphere. Plus, the darkness makes it easier to see the northern lights. Imagine cozying up by a fireplace, sipping hot chocolate, and watching the stars and maybe even the northern lights dance above. It's a truly magical experience. Norway's Arctic Circle is a land of incredible beauty, adventure, and unique experiences. From the midnight sun and northern lights to dog sledding and Sami culture, there's something for everyone in this magical place. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Arctic adventure today. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official for more incredible travel destinations and tips. We'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!